Welcome back. It is 8:12 right now, and we are focusing on your health, in particular, your eye health. Eye doctors across Oregon and Washington slowly opening up their offices to patients again, and that includes the Oregon Eye Specialists. They plan to reopen for full services tomorrow. Joining us live this morning with the details is Dr. Nisha, a glaucoma specialist and surgeon. Good morning, doctor.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning. Thanks for joining us. So I know you practice in Lake Oswego and Aloha, and we heard that Oregon Eye Specialists clinic's going to be reopening soon. So what can we expect?
Yeah, that's correct. A lot of changes. I think a lot of people are having questions about what coronavirus can do to their eyes, what clinic will look like, how we're protecting patients.
Yeah, and are you opening tomorrow then, or like at full capacity, or how's that going to work?
We are, things are going to look very different though than they were before. We are really, really doing our best to protect patients. There are some conditions that really just can't be addressed virtually, so they're really requiring inpatient evaluations. So the thing that's changed is we've created extensive safety manuals. We've trained our staff in order to be able to um, address coronavirus related issues. We're calling patients ahead of time to screen for coronavirus. We are requiring stringent policies in terms of face masking to decrease transmission. We're decreasing the number of patients that come into our office, and we're sterilizing like crazy.
Yeah, I can imagine. I recently had an eye exam, and I know one of the things is, you put your chin on the resting thing, and they have to, the eye doctor is kind of close to you. Is there going to be some more distancing, I guess, with the actual visits when people come?
Yeah, we've installed plexiglass shields around all of our microscopes. We're again masking the patients, masking staff, and physicians, and we're really trying to minimize that contact where you're up close and personal. That being said, there are so many conditions that do require an in-depth evaluation. Retinal detachments,
Mhm.
glaucoma, macular degeneration really do involve a good eye exam that we just can't do virtually.
Yeah, oh, definitely. Why is it so important to upkeep eye health amid this pandemic?
Yeah, many conditions can lead to permanent blindness if not addressed in a timely fashion. And, a lot of people worry about things like surgery during this time. And there are some eye surgeries, retinal detachment repairs, glaucoma surgery, that need to be done in a timely fashion.
Yeah, I would imagine so. Are there any eye conditions related to COVID-19 that they found?
Yeah, the most common ocular manifestation is viral conjunctivitis, more commonly known as pink eye. And this presents like most cases of viral conjunctivitis, where the white of the eye turns pink or red. Patients generally have other symptoms. They might have some tearing, some mild foreign body sensation. Um, and there are other reports of other COVID related ocular findings, such as double vision or changes to the blood vessels of the retina.
Hmm.
But by far, the most common symptom is viral conjunctivitis.
Oh, okay. Well, that's good to know. And if people are showing these symptoms, what should they do?
Yeah, so at this time we're really trying to minimize patients who have these symptoms coming in to the office, and so we recommend setting up a virtual visit. We have created this and we think it's a really good platform for us to be able to offer eye care.
Yeah.
There are lots of conditions that cause red, uncomfortable eyes, and some of those require more timely treatment and evaluation. But we really don't want people with viral conjunctivitis coming into our office and spreading that to other patients and staff.
Yeah.
So, this virtual platform is really a great means of us being able to evaluate and treat you.
Yeah, well, some good information there. Thank you so much for joining us, Dr.
Yeah,
Nisha.
thank
And for eye
you.
health tips and information for patients, of course, we'll put a link to the Oregon Eye Specialist website on coin.com.